Is how to create 20 TikTok videos in 5 minutes using ChatGPT. I need 20 short inspirational quotes related to parenting. They should each be a maximum of 1 sentence long. And just a few moments later, ChatGPT gives us 20 quotes which we're going to overlay on a video. We're going to copy those quotes and then head over to Canva. We're going to click Create New and then select a template of Instagram Story because it's the correct vertical format for TikTok. Now we need to find a video that we can overlay the text on. We're going to click Elements. For these quotes, I think I'd like a family on a beach, so I'm going to select Beach and then click Videos. Let's see if we can find one that might work. This one looks good. We'll add the video to the project and then right click and set as background. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, I think that looks good. We need to add some placeholder text. We're going to click Text and add a subheading. Now we're going to put in a dummy quote so that we can get our positioning right for the text that we're going to import. Now's a good time to change the font and add any effects that you might want. Let's have one more preview. Yep, I think that looks good, so we're ready to go ahead and import the quotes. We're going to click the bulk create button and then enter data manually. You may have data in here already, in which case delete it. We're going to title this column quote and then we're going to paste in all of the quotes that we got from ChatGPT. We're going to right click the text we have, connect data, quote, which was the name of our column. We go back to bulk create and then hit continue and generate. And just like that, we now have 20 individual videos, each with their own unique quote. And of course, if you want to, you can still go in and edit the text in any way that you like. For more tips and to get access to our ChatGPT toolkit, just go ahead and check out our profile.